Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. In today's tutorial, we will be talking about one command named as helped in NPM. So, how we can use the help command in NPM, we will be seeing it in detail. So, let's move forward and let's see NPM space help how it will work. So, I had typed NPM help. You can see like NPM had listed the few basic commands for me that I can use to know about it more. Let's see, like the first command is npm install, and then and see it's saying install all the dependencies in your product, add foo dependency to your product, any kind of package names as foo I have to install. I can use like this command, then npm test, run the project in test mode, npm run foo, run the script named foo, npm command minus h, it's a quick help on command. Okay, any kind of command you want to take quick help on, we can use this one. Okay, then for example npm minus l, daily usage for info, like display usage info for all the commands. Then npm help, these are all the normal commands, and then all commands in npm available is it listed here, all of them you can see all, and it's pretty good and pretty easy. If you want to know about any command, you can write npm minus space help, then you can go on with all the listing of commands. In case you want to know about single command like npm install, I want to know about it, then I will write npm install minus h, it will give me a quick help on command install. So as you can see, like npm install is used for packages, to install packages. See how which options I have in this command minus f s. In minus s I can say minus minus save, minus minus no save, minus minus no product, minus minus save dash dev. So it's all like very normal, like it's giving me all the e minus minus save, minus g is for global styles, ignore as workspace. So this is all the available command options in the command I can see by using npm install minus h. It's not about install any other command I want to take quick help, I will just write the command name after space and hyphen h, will give me dash h, sorry, will give me the details about the single command or quick help. After that we will see for one more thing. If I will say npm, okay, I will write something called update, and I will say help dash search. Okay, this command is available, you can see here, and help dash search. So this is the command that will search your text. Sorry, I have to write the command first, npm help dash search, and then I have to write a text. For example, I want to search about this text update. It will, the npm, what it will do, it will go to the node or npm documentation and find the and search about update and all the parameters that is being matched to update. It will bring it here. Let's go ahead and run it. You can see like npm help update, npm help config, npm help audit. So it's from this update we can do in all these commands. See, top hits for update. So what it will do is it will move towards npm documentation and search about the text you had write it after the after an help search command. So I think guys, today's that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys understand it better. uh, Please don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.